Okay, we're going to head further out towards the north and do one big loop. Come along for the ride, guys. So we just stop off here. I'm just going to show my clients exactly where we are. Okay guys, so started up from here and then we came up and we crossed this lake here, Olcarvi. We've headed up and we're just there. So now we have another lake to go over. This one's going to be a bit challenging because you'll see water. Okay, we're heading on to Olcarvi. That's Finland at its best.